Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today I will show you a tutorial about how to proceed inventory adjustment. In the real world, the inventory always wastes some quantity in production. So Stocktake is a good proceed to synchronize between the system and physical stock. Okay, let's start sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. Now, we go to the Stocktake order to prepare the counting of inventory. On the menu page, click the block named Transaction, and then click the Inventory block. After, click the Stocktake block to go to the order interface. Let's set the date as at. This date is a cut-off date. The system will ignore the barcode, which is the date after. And then set the Stocktake warehouse. For example, Startup Warehouse. After that, we can save the order to get a new order number. Then, approve the order to get ready count the stock. The order will be locked after approval. Here is a double confirm message that the order will be locked and pending to start the stock count. Let's confirm the approval. Now, the purple icon is lighted, means the order is going on pending status. Let's preview the barcode quantity status before stock count. It shows the different quantities status on each barcode. For example, quantity in system recorded, quantity from stock counted, and the different quantity between physical world and system world. Okay, now, the order is created. Let's go to stock count barcode section. On the top of menu, click the material planning block, and then, click the inventory block. Last, click the stock count block to go to the barcode interface. Here is the stock count barcode section. Click here and scan the order number barcode. The barcode in the startup warehouse will be listed below. In the below barcodes, the system only shows the original quantity of the barcode and the current Stocktake quantity. It does not show the bookkeep quantity to interface to keep the accuracy and truth of counted quantity. Okay, start to stock count the inventory. Since the inventory has many barcode, so we use bulk input to insert into the system. Click here to open the big text box for Stocktake data. Here is the data format. Set up the barcode machine to export this format. Okay, switch the barcode machine to Stocktake mode. And then scan the barcode and input the quantity into machine. After scanning complete, we can connect the machine to PC computer, and then export the data with format similar like that. These quantities of the barcode are the same as the system kept. Let's make small changes to see how the effect when the quantity counted more or less than the system kept. For example, make here less 5 pieces. And make here more 1 pieces. Okay, click here to import the data into the system. The data has imported and the quantity of below barcode also updated. When the stock count is completed, click here to complete the stock count. The control is now throw back to order interface. Let's go back the order interface to proceed next step. On the top of menu, click the transactions block, and then, click the inventory block. Last, click the stock count block to go to the order interface. Go to the list, to recall the Stocktake order. OK, go to the stock count records to review the comparison between physical check and bookkeep record. Here is actual showing the different quantity between the physical stock and the system. For example, this Stocktake has made some changes in quantity. Now, you can see all the differences here. Next, if accept the quantity different, click the button to confirm it and generate a stock adjustment order. Otherwise, click this button to pass back to the inventory to retake the different quantities of the barcode. OK, click here to make a approval to this Stocktake order, and generate a stock adjustment order. OK, the stock adjustment order is generated and the number is SA number 7. Let's go to review the stock adjustment order. That is the stock adjustment order. Let's check the content on the different tab. This is the same as the Stocktake order. Let's review the stock count summary on the next tab. This page will show a preview of the quantity and amount changes before and after the stock adjustment, and the grand total changes. OK, now we can go to approval to confirm the order, and adjust the system's data. Before actual update, the system will show the adjustment summary, and double confirm your action. Let's confirm the approval action. The system adjustment is completed. Let's check the inventory changes. On the top of menu, click the report block, and then, click the normal inventory block. Last, click the balance block to go to the report interface. Check the warehouse to start up warehouse, and select option to show details. And then search the data. Here, the item has adjusted the loss of 5 pieces. And here, the item has adjusted the extra 1 piece. Let's compare the prediction result of Stocktake order and the current actual result. Furthermore, the barcode quantity has also been updated. Let's go to check it. On the top of menu, click the report block, and then, click the normal inventory block. Last, click the barcode block to go to the barcode list interface. Select option here to start up warehouse. You can see the quantity of barcode has updated to 95 and 91 pieces. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.